Hello children, I'm Nisha here from Mangla Vidya Mandira. So children, in this video we are going to start with a new lesson. So let's see what is the name of the lesson. I want. You need to I want. So children, this story is based on a monkey who wants to be like other animals. Like he wants to be like a giraffe, he wants to be like an elephant and a zebra. However, later on he realizes that what he is and what he has, he should be happy with that. The story is about a little monkey. So children, open page number 29 in your textbook. Shall we start with the lesson? I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. So strong means powerful. The monkey is telling, the little monkey is telling, I want to be very big. At the same time, I want to be powerful also. A wise means a knowledgeable woman, hears him, take this magic wand. She says, and all your wishes can come true. So what she is giving? She is giving a magic wand. Magic wand is a long thick stick she is giving like abracadabra, and she is telling you just have to rotate that and whatever wish you are having, it will come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. Now what happens? Suddenly a monkey sees a giraffe, and giraffe comes, and what he does? He just stretches his long neck. Since the giraffe is having a long neck, he just stretches that, and whatever leaves are there, he will eat that from the top of the tree. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop. So what he does, the monkey sees that and he is highly impressed. He said, now I want a long neck like giraffe. So he just twisted the magic wand. His neck grows long just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. Now what he does, through the magic wand, he gets a long neck and he is very happy with that. An elephant comes down to the river. Now another animal comes, okay? Who comes? An elephant. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang. Now suddenly what happened? He see one more animal, okay? So what is that animal? An elephant, okay? An elephant comes, and what he does? He just fills his trunk with water and he blows it all over himself. So by seeing that, the little monkey says, now I want to do that. The same thing what elephant is doing, even I want to do that. Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun. Now immediately what happened? He just through the help of magic wand, he gets a trunk also. His trunk grows, and by seeing that, he becomes very happy and he feels, oh, this is really a fun. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes. Stripes means, children, marks in the body, okay? Marks on the body. Little monkey has stripes all over his body just like the zebra. By seeing that stripes on zebra's body, he said, I want the stripes like this. So by doing that magic, through the help of magic wand, he gets the stripes all over the body, same like the zebra. He is very happy. Now he becomes very happy because he get what he got: zebra, this one, giraffe's long neck, elephant's trunk, and finally what he got? He got zebra's stripes also. He sees himself in the water. Now what happens? Suddenly he looks in the water. He sees his shadow in the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. He thought some monster is there in the water. When he looks himself in the water, he feels there is some monster. Okay, he started crying, mother, mother. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. So what mother told? No, that is not a monster. That's not a ghost. It's you only. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and a stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? So she is telling, see, you are the one who is asking for giraffe's neck, elephant trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Do you remember that or not? Everything you only wanted. Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says. Awful means very bad, unpleasant. He said, no ma, I look very awful, I look very bad. He says to his mother, I want to be myself again. So whatever I am, whoever I am, I want to become the same like before. There is a pop, a bang and a whiz. So what happened? Again he twisted the magic wand. So little monkey is himself again. By twisting that, what happened? He got his original body. Like what he was, the same body, he got it back. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river because he got irritated by that. He said, I don't want this magic wand only. What he did, he just threw the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. He said, I don't want to look like anyone. Whatever I am happy with that. So children, what is the moral of the story means? What we learn from this story is what we are and how we are. We should be always happy with that. We should never compare ourselves with others. Whatever others are having, let it be with them. But what we are having, what God has given to us, we should be always happy with that. That is the moral of the story. Children, in this video, I have given a little grammar portion also, that is parts of speech. The very first thing is noun. So in this we are going to learn about, now since you are already aware of noun, but just a recap I am giving in this video. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing and idea. So here are there few pictures like person. Like who is the person? A person can be a baby, a girl, a boy. Okay, the picture are there. So it is the name of a person. At the same time, animal. You can see the picture. There are few pictures of cat, dog and pig. And what is about the other one? That is about the place. A place is like, it can be a home, it can be a park, it can be a garden, it can be a school. And at the same time, what is thing? Non-living thing. Okay, that can be a chair, table, car, sun, biscuits, anything that is non-living thing. The final one is about the idea, which you cannot see, you can just feel it. Okay, love, strength and fear. Can you see those? No, you can't see, you just can feel that. So this is about nouns. Since we have already learned, I have given a worksheet in the form of PDF, which I will be sending you in the group. So children, what you have to do, you have to do that worksheet and post it in the group. That is also a homework for you, but you have to write it in the classwork. So till now, thank you children.